Very good morning, student. In this class, we will discuss about the exercise 12.2. Okay. In previous class, what you have to learn? Special types of quadrilateral. Okay. After the special types of quadrilateral, we will discuss exercise 12.2. Okay. Question number first. It's a very easy question. This question number first. It is for the homework. Okay, see here I will explain firstly, then you will solve this question number 1. Okay, what is the question number 1? Give reason why a square can be considered as a special types of parallelogram, special types of rhombus and special types of rectangle. Okay, we have to write down only the reason why square as can be considered as a special types of parallelogram, special types of rhombus and special types of rectangle. Okay, so you have to solve this properly in your notebook. Okay, question number 1. Now see here the question number 2. What is the question number 2 you have to given? PQRS is a rectangle. PQRS is a rectangle. So I will draw here the one rectangle. PQRS is a rectangle. Its diagonal meet at point O. Its diagonal meet at point O. Okay. Then value of the PO. What is that? Value of a PO. Value of PO is equal to how much? 5x minus 6. And value of QO. What is that? Where is QO? QO. What is that? It's a 3x plus 4. Value of Q is a 3x plus 4. Okay. Now, what we have to find out? Find the value of a x. We have to find the value of a x. Now, see here, student. We have to given that in the question number 2. We have to given the one hint. What is the hint? What is the hint? Diagonals of a rectangle are equal and bisect each other. We have to given the one hint is a what? Diagonal, which what? PR is equal to SQ. Diagonals are equal and these diagonals are equal and bisect each other. Means what? This PR is equal to SQ. Then you have to say that the PO is equal to QO and SO is equal to OR, because two diagonals are equal when their parts also the equal. Okay. So how to solve this question? See here. Very easy question. PQRS first we have to write down their given. PQRS is a rectangle. Okay, then PR is equal to SQ. Okay, diagonals are equal. Then what is that? PO is equal to OQ. OQ or QO. QO. Okay, then all of you know that the value of the PO and OQ. What is the value of the PO? It's what? 5x minus 6. Directly you have to take here. Then what value of the QO? What is that? It's a 3x plus 4. Okay. Now we have to solve. Transfer the x from one side and transfer them one. This is a constant one side. Okay. So 5x. This 3x we have to transfer this side. So what? It's a minus 3x. It is converting into the minus. Then 4. This minus 6 we have to transfer right side. So what? It's a plus 6. Then 5x minus 3x is what? 2x. And 4 plus 6 is what? 10. Now x 2 is transferred on this side. So 10 divided by 2. So x is equal to what? There is a 5. This is the answer. Okay. So what is the answer? X is equal to 5. It is the answer. This types of we have to solve the question number 2. Okay. Then question number 3. Now students, here question number 3. What is that? This given figure, HELP. HELP is a parallelogram. Then OE, we have to given the measurement of the OE is what? 4 cm. This given length is given in a centimeter. So OE is what? 4 cm. HL, we have to also given the value of the HL. What is the HL? 5 plus means 5 more than P. This is the value of a HL. What is that? 5 more than P. What is the value of P? We have to not given. So first we have to find the value of a P. How to find out the value of a P? According to the OE. PE is a 2 times OE. So first we have to find the value of a PE is equal to P is what? 2 times OE. All of you know that value of the OE. What is that? It's a 4. So 8 centimeter. Okay, student. So this PE is what? 8 centimeter. Now HL. You have to find the value of a. In this question, what you have to find? Find the value of a HL. Okay. HL is a question mark. Okay, you have to find the value of a HL. Then how to find out the HL? See a student. You have to know that the value of the OL. What is the value of the OL? Sorry, not HL. You have to find the value of what? OH. OH. This OH. You have to take a consider that the OH is equal to what? X. Okay. Find the value of a OH, not a HL. You have to given the value of the HL. What is the value of the HL? Value of the HL is equal to 5U plus P. So what is the exact value of the HL? 5U plus. What is the value of the P? It's what? 8. 8 plus 5, 13 centimeter. So HL is the 13 centimeter. Now how to find out the OH? OH is the half of HL. Yes or no? This HL is the OH part. What? Half of the HL. So OH is equal to half of HL. Okay. So OH is equal to 1 half 1 by 2 multiply. What is the value of the HL? You know that value of the HL 30. So 30 multiply 130 upon 2 is equal to what? 30 divided by 2 is what? 6.5 centimeter. So therefore the OH is equal to 6.5 centimeter. This is the answer. Simple question you have to give. Okay. Watch this video carefully and write down this example in your notebook. Okay. Now the next question you have to given the question number 4. Now question number 4. What is the question number 4? ABCD is again parallelogram. AB is parallel to DC. Now we have given the value of angle A. What is the value of the angle A? Is what? 5x plus 5u. Angle B 4x minus 5 degree. Okay. So in this question what you have to find? First you have to find the value of x. And after you have to find the value of the x, next you have to find all the angles of a parallelogram. Means angle A, what is the measurement of the angle A, B, C and D. You have to find out. So how to solve? It is also very easy. All of you know that the properties of parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Yes or no? This property you have to apply. Now see the student, angle A. Angle A and angle, you have to given the angle B. Okay, so what you have to, how to solve this question? See, angle A and angle B, it is what? Adjacent angle. So what is the sum of the adjacent angle? Sum of the adjacent angles are 180 degrees. So you have to apply here. So angle A plus angle B is equal to what? 180 degree. It is a what? Adjacent angle. Okay. Now, then also the another one reason also this AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC and AB is also the what? Transversal. Okay. Then what is that? This which one is this also the reason. Okay. So don't confuse. एक ही पहले देख लें. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. So what is the angle A? Value of the angle A is what? 5x plus 5u. Put the value plus angle B is what? 4x plus, sorry, not plus, minus 5u is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now find out 5x plus 4x, 9x plus 5u minus 5u plus 5 minus 5. How much? It's what? 0. So 9x is equal to 180 degree. Okay, don't mention the 0. Then 9 you have to transfer this side. So what? 180 degree upon 9. So x is equal to what? How many sides? So what? 20. 9 to the 20. So x is equal to, you will get the 20. Okay, x is equal to, what is the value of the x is equal to? 20 degree. Now we have to find the angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. First we have to find the angle A. What is the angle A? Angle A. What is the value of the angle A? 5x. See here, 5x plus 5 degree. So we have to put the value of the x. So 5 multiplied by 20 plus 5. 5 multiplied by 2. Sorry, 20 multiplied by 5 is what? 100 plus 5. 105. So angle A is equal to 105. Now angle B. What is the value of the angle B? 4x minus 5. So 4 multiplied by 20 minus 5. How much? 80 minus 5. It's what? 75. Directly I will write here the 75. So angle B is equal to 75 degree. Okay. Now students, here angle A, you will get the answer of angle A is what? 105. Angle B is also the 75. Now angle A is the opposite angle, angle C. Yes or no? Angle A is equal to angle C. So and opposite angles are what? Equal. So what is the value of the angle C? It's what? 105 degree. Okay. Now angle again. B is the opposite angle. Angle D. So what is the value of the B? It's what? 75. So angle D is also the 75. So what is the value of the angle C? Angle C is equal to 105. And angle D is equal to 75. Okay. So what is their answer? Hence the given angles of measures of the parallelogram is what? 105, 75, 105 and 75. This is the answer. You have to mention the here hence. Okay. This type of we have to find out the value of the first. We have to find the value of the x and the angles, interior angle of a parallelogram. Okay. Now student, question number 5th. What is the question number 5th? We have to given PQRS is a parallelogram with PQ parallel to SR. We have to also given the angle of P, angle Q. Find the value of x and measures of the angle of a parallelogram PQRS. Same question. Similar to this question 5th is exactly similar to question number 4. So it is for the homework. Now question number 6, what is that? See, I will read this question. The measures of the two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Find the measures of each of the angles of a parallelogram. We have to find the again each of the angles. We have to only give the what? Ratio of a two adjacent angle. Okay. So all of you know that the adjacent angle are supplementary. What is the supplementary means what? It's a 180 degree. So we have to take directly ratio 3x plus 2x is equal to what? 180 degree. Now 3x plus 2x is what? 5x is equal to 180 degree. Now again this 5 transfer this side. So what is that? It's divided by 5. How many? X is equal to 5 3s are 15. Then remaining is what? 30. 5 6 are. X is equal to 36 degree. Okay. So what is the value of the 3x? You have to find out the firstly angle A. So you have to give us any name, PQRS, ABCD, anything. So first angle is what? You have to consider that the angle A is what? 3x. Angle A is equal to what? 3x. This type of we have to draw the diagram. A, B, C, D. Okay. This angle A, two adjacent angle, not this one. These two adjacent angle, 3x and it is what? 2x. ABCD. These two angles are given 3x and 2x. Okay. So what is the measurement of this opposite angle 3x? It is also the 2x. Okay. Simply we have to draw the diagram. This, according to the diagram, you have to solve the properly example. Okay. Then next, what is that? First we have to find the one by one angle. How to find out? Angle A. 3x. So you have to give on the we have to know the value of the x. So what? 3 multiplied by 36. What is that? 3 6 are 18. 3 3 are 9 plus 1 8. 108. So angle A is equal to what? 108. Okay. Now angle B. Angle B. What is the angle B? 2x. 2 multiplied by 36. 36 to the 72. Angle C. Again 3x. So directly I will write here the 108. Angle D is equal to, again 2x is what? 72 degrees. Okay, this types of we have to solve. So what? Hence 108, 72 degree and 108 and 72 are the angles of which you have to given angles of the parallelogram. This is the answer. Okay, this types of we have to solve the question number 6. Now student, question number 7. Next question we have to given question number 7. Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are equal measure. Equal measure means we have to taking the any measurement x, y. Okay, find the measures of each of the angles of a parallelogram. I will explain this question. Okay, now question number 8. See, the angles of a quadrilateral. Now we have to given the quadrilateral are in the ratio. These types of question we have to given in the which exercise 12.1. Okay, this type of question we have to already solve the question in exercise 12.1. So question number 8 it is for the homework. Very easy question, you have to try. Okay, so let's see the question number 7. Now see here question number 7. What is that? Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are have equal measure. So we will consider these equal measures. What is that? X. Okay. See here student. This is the parallelogram. Okay. So you need to consider that two adjacent angles. It is what? X. It is also the X. Okay. And all of you know that you have to apply the adjacent angles are supplementary. So x plus x is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now this opposite angle also the one. What is that? It's also the x. It is also the x. So this x, when you have to find the value of the x, suppose any you have to get the value of the x, this the same value of this remaining angles also there. Okay. So first we have to find the value of x. See here. So what? X plus x is equal to 180 degree. You have to given the reason also the written mention their reason. Adjacent angle are supplementary. Okay, supplementary. Then x plus x is equal to what? 2x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to what? 180 degree upon 2. X is equal to what? 90 degree. So what? Each angle of this given parallelogram is what? X. So each angle is what? 90 degree. So directly we have to mention this. Means each angle of the parallelogram is 90 degree. This type of we have to solve the question number 7. Okay, question number 8 it is for the homework. Now question number 9. Okay, it is also the very question, easy question. Question number 9. The quadrilateral PQRS, we have to given the question number 9. In quadrilateral PQRS, the angles are in the ratio. We have to given the angles are in the ratio 3:4:5:6. 3:4:5:6. find the angles of PQRS. Find the angles of measures of the angle PQRS, and what is the special types of, what is the special name of the PQRS. After you have to finding their measurement, their measures of the angle. Okay, you have to find out this given quadrilateral is a, what is the name of this special, what is the special name of this given PQRS quadrilateral. Okay, so it is a trapezium, it is a sphere, and it is a rectangle, whatever. So how to solve this question? First we have to find the angle. Okay, so see here student, 3 we have given this, all the angles in what? In a ratio. All of you know that the sum of the interior angle of a quadrilateral is what? 360 degree. Yes or no? Four-sided figure is what? 360 degree. So you have to apply here. So what is that? 3x plus 4x plus 5x plus 6x is equal to what? 360 degree. Okay. Now 3x plus 4x 7x, 7x plus 5x is what? 12x, 12x plus 6x is what? 18x. So 18x is equal to 360 degree. Now 18 terms are there this side. 360 divided by 18. So x is equal to what? 18 2s are. So what? X is equal to 20. Okay. Now first we have to find the angle P. What is the angle P? So what? 3x. So 3x. 3 multiplied by 20. It is equal to 60. Okay. Now angle Q. What is that? 4x. 4 multiplied by 20. It is what? 80. Angle R. What is that? 5x. So 5 multiplied by 20. It's what? 25 is 100. Now last one is the angle S. What is the value of the angle S? Is what? 6x. 6 multiplied by 20. 6 2s are 12. 120. Okay. Now given angle which one is student? 60 degree, 80 degree, 100 degree and 120 degree. Okay. So see here, we have to add the, what is the opposite angle of the P? This is the PQRS. P is the opposite angle R. Okay. Then, sorry, not opposite angle, adjacent angle. P is the opposite angle, this angle is what? This adjacent angle, P is the opposite, adjacent angle S. So we have to add this. 120 plus 60. This P plus S and Q plus R. When you have to get the 180 degree, their addition, you have to their sum. When you are to getting the 180 degree, then what? This PQ is parallel to SR. So what is the name of this given figure? It is what? Trapezium. What is meant by the trapezium? Only one pair of the opposite sides. Only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Then you have to say that this the given figure is what? Trapezium. Okay. So how to mention here? So see here, this angle P plus angle S is equal to 180 degree. See here, 60 plus 120. Yes, it is a 180 degree. Now next, add this to angle. Angle S, angle Q plus angle R. What is that? 80 plus 100. It is also the 180 degree. Okay, student? So, what we have to given? This PQRS is what? Therefore, PQRS is a trapezium. So, PQRS is a trapezium with PQ parallel to RS. This is the answer. So we have to solve the question number 9. Okay. So next question you have to given the question number 10 and 11. I will explain at the end of this exercise. Then see the after the question number 9 we will discuss question number 12. Okay. It is also the same similar question we are doing. Okay. See student, question number 12. In the given parallelogram, in the following parallelogram, find the measures of the angle. Find the measures of the angle. Mark x, y, z. We have to find the value of the x, y, z. We have to give on their figures. According to this figure, those you have to apply their properties and what you have to use their the measurement of interior exterior angle. So you have to apply this overall all the properties and rules, okay, and find out the value of the x, y, z in every figure. Okay, so question number 1, we are given this given figure. See a student, in this given figure, this x is the opposite angle z, y is the opposite angle 105. So in given figure, each and every question we have to compulsory, it is compulsory we have to write down, draw the figure. Okay, in the given figure, what y is equal to 105 because of what? Opposite angle. Okay, now y is equal to, you have to get the first the value of the 1. Now see here, 105 and x, it is which type of angle? It is adjacent angle. So 105 plus x is equal to 180 degree. It is a adjacent angle. Okay, now so x is equal to 180 degree. This 105 transfer this side, 105. So x is equal to, what is that? 105. 180 degree, 180 minus 105 what? 75 degree. Okay. Also got to give the value of the x. It's what? 75 degree. Now remaining is what? Only the y. 105. Sorry, not a y. Z. X is the opposite angle z. So x is equal to z. It is what? Opposite angle. So what is the angle z? So it is z is equal to what? What is the value of the x is what? 75. So z is also the 75 degree. This is the value. This types of we have to solve the remaining questions. This types of we have to solve the, try this question, remaining question B, C, D. If you have to not understand, tell me. Okay. In the question number 13, what is that? Question number 13. In the given following parallelogram L, M and O, we have to given the two figures. L and two parallelogram L, M, N, O and E, F, G, H. Find the value of the x and y. Okay. See, it is also a very easy question. See you student, how to solve this question. X plus y, it is a 20, y plus 4 and it is a 21. In the given parallelogram L, in the given figure, what is that? This diagonal. Which diagonal? OM and LN. OM and LN are a bisect each other and also the equal. Then we have to take in there the here we have to take anything. Okay. Suppose it is a P. Okay. Then P. O, P and PM are equal, then we have to take it here directly. OP is equal to PM because of why? Diagonal are bisect each other and diagonals are equal. So OP is equal to PM. What is the value of the OP? X plus y, x plus 5 is equal to 20. Now 5 transfer this side, so x is equal to 20 minus 5. So x is equal to what? 15 centimeter. We have given the length in what? Centimeter. Okay? In the question we have given. See, this time we have to find the value of x. Now what about the y? It is also going to take the same. This LP is equal to LP is equal to PN. LP is equal to PN. So what is the LP? Y plus 4 is equal to 25. Now y is equal to 25 minus 4. So y is equal to what? It's what? 21 centimeter. This is the value of the y. X is equal to 15 and y is equal to 21 centimeter. Okay. Now question number second. Question number second. Which parallelogram what given? E, F, G, H. All of you know that their parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So we have to use this property. Opposite sides are equal. given the measurement and solve. Question number B, 13B, it is for the homework. Okay student? Now we are to given the next question is the 14. What is the question number 14? Explain how this figure is a trapezium. Explain how this figure is a trapezium. We are to given the one figure. How it is this given figure is a trapezium. Okay, with which of its two sides are parallel, and we have to mention also the which of these two sides are parallel. Okay, you have to try this question number 14. Okay, it's very easy question. You have to use also the property. When the two adjacent when two adjacent angles, their sum is 180, then you have to say that their sides are parallel. Then it is a trapezium. Okay, this types of we have to solve the question number 14. Okay, so student, remaining question we will discuss in next video. Okay, so what you have to do, watch this video properly and write all the question in your notebook, and those who have to given the homework you have to solve. Okay, thank you so much.